So as you can see, I've already taken the carpet and the trim out, and I've taken the closet apart. So today what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take down the ceiling and the lights, and hopefully we'll find some slats out there. This closet wall is going to go because it's not original. And we're going to take this drywall off because, as you can see, there's some farm board behind it. So we're going to expose that and then probably paint it up. So stay tuned for the rest of the demo. So I just finished taking out the closet wall, and it came out pretty easily, a little bit of a struggle. There's gonna be some patchwork to do with the drywall here. And then I took the drywall off of the wall with the farm board, and check it out. Like, this is pretty incredible. There's some really, really old wallpaper, and then underneath it is some newsprint. So I'm gonna try to kind of chip away at it very slowly, because you can see some of it kind of fell off there. There's some kind of maybe shampoo for 99 cents. These renovations on this floor, I believe, were last completed in 1991 because I found a piece of trim earlier when we first moved in that had the date on it. So, oh, check this out. Yeah, sunshine, fresh fruit, bananas, 19 cents a pound. Crisco oil, 79 cents. Oh my God, that stuff costs like $8 these days. 120 tea bags for $1.89. Tea's like, that's like $6-7 these days. So maybe the 60s, 50s? Not too sure. We'll keep plugging away at her and see what we get.